thought I was making a movie for a second. That's fine. Dusty, fellas. Gets pretty dusty in Inwood. Oh yeah, black gold. That's a good jag. Good Lord. Big crushed aggregate delivery. It's my favorite kind of aggregate. That's my favorite kind of aggregate right there. It's the different crush onto it. But yeah, holds up not too bad. And I'm pretty rough on it too with the tractors and whatnot, so. The A gravel though, let's see, this was the A gravel. See what happens? It's too much dirt in it, eh? It's too much dirt. Too much friggin' dirt. But yeah, that worked out lickety splips. Fire a couple bags of the Hansaluthion up here. Are they gonna even fit? Ah, oh, you stupid son of a bitch. Oh, son of a bitchington. Ow. I really got to get this insulations done. Like big time. Not sure if you're aware, but these are the facts. Oh, I'm gonna just barf though too, so that's the other thing. The other thing that we didn't take into consideration. Definitely something you're gonna want to wear a mask. Just trying to be a man about it, but even with the undergirded lungs, she's a little rough on the capacity. This is the throat region. playing birthday traptor. It's like my favorite type of traptor to play. Well, we got plenty of crushed aggregates now, boys. So whenever I move something, I can get rid of the grass and tuck some gravel out. I also want to, do along and around the shipping containers too. It's just a little bit of the moisture there when it rains. No good.
You're an insulation specialist now, Charlie.
Warm in here now. Not too bad for decibel-ward.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Not too bad for decibel-ward.
Mm-hmm.
Oven?
Not too bad.
A little bit bad.
What you doing? Just hacking at it?
Insulating.
Oh, a little light on the...
Time is it?
Past my bedtime.
You're helping, Chippy.
I always helping, Charlie.
You're helping.
It's 10:45.
You're helping. You did.
Mm-hmm. Did all that, didn't I, Charlie?
Yeah.
You're just finishing up the last touches to make it look like you did something.
Yeah.
Call yourself a specialist. Let's get the light back on you.
Did you show him my traptor?
This one?
My new one?
Mm-hmm.
It's awesome.
It goes really high.
Goes really high in the air. Oh, I think this might be the last one for the night, Jimmy.
You can do it. Go in and have a snap.
Yeah. I'm shining. Oh, I can't wait to get my decibel-ward. Look how good that looks. I'm a hot solution specialist. We even built a trap door. So make a little trap door patch for that. It'd be awesome. It'd be so awesome. Yeah, we just gotta do this one strip here in the end wall. And we got 6, 9, 11, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we should have a couple extra even. Get some dollars back from the boat. Prison riot mask.
put your nose on the janky armpit part.
Buddy. Smell process is almost done, Tibby.
Mm-hmm. Thank goodness.
We got the friggin' cement truck coming. Couple weeks, maybe a week, maybe a couple weeks, something like that. Be awesome. Do a little conquerooing. You can't even saw it. I don't know why I'm aiming it that way. But yeah, boys. Han Solutions Food Plug 1. That was a lot of shitty work. I need to have a shower and a snap.